This single candle setup can power an entire day trading approach. It typically delivers 3 to 4 quality trades daily, without relying on traditional indicators. I'll break down the rules and show how to automate it using AI. The setup is simple, an outside bar that fully engulfs the previous 3 candles. When this occurs, it signals that significant capital has entered the scene, not just market noise. Breaking 3 candlesticks with a single candlestick requires strong momentum. This kind of power doesn't come from small investors. It's usually driven by large players, like banks and hedge funds, who contribute substantial trading volume. These are the participants who truly drive price, and this move reveals their intent. While most traders rely on indicators that react after the fact, this pattern highlights the origin of the move itself. Instead of chasing momentum, you align with the pressure that actually creates it. This is the precise setup I scan for daily. 3 relatively small, calm candles with no significant momentum. Then a 4th candle forms that stands out immediately. Its range expands sharply, and its high breaks above the highs of the previous 3 bars, signaling a clear shift in pressure. Its low drops beneath the prior 3 lows, fully engulfing their range. But the key detail is where it closes. For a bullish setup, the candle must finish within the upper quarter of its range. For a bearish setup, it needs to close in the lower quarter. It's simpler than it sounds. Visualize the candlestick chart and focus on the closing price. If it's near the upper end of the closing range, that's a strong signal. Look for buying opportunities. If it's near the lower end of the closing range, consider selling opportunities. The closing price reveals control of the position. A close in the upper quarter indicates that buyers clearly outnumbered sellers. A close in the lower quarter shows sellers stepped in aggressively and maintained control. Now imagine a euro to US dollar chart. 3 small, quiet candles form first. Then a large bullish candle emerges, breaking above the prior highs and dipping below the prior lows, fully engulfing their entire range. A close in the top 10% signals strong buying. For example, a 50-pip move in just 2 hours. Apple shows the same setup, and Bitcoin too. 3 calm candles, then an outside candle sparks a 2% rally within hours. This pattern works across markets, Forex, stocks, and crypto alike. While most traders spend years hunting for a dependable setup, you discovered one in minutes. The pattern itself works, but taking trades against the right direction leads to losses even if it's perfect. I'll show the single filter that can reduce losing trades by half. One key rule can elevate this strategy from ordinary to outstanding. You've heard the trend is your friend for a reason. Going against it is a quick way to lose. Simply put, when price sits above the 50 EMA, only consider bullish setups to align with the trend. When the price is below the 50 EMA, focus only on bearish patterns, a common mistake. Assuming that seeing a strong bearish outer candle is a reversal signal. You open a short position, but the trend is upward, so the price continues to rise, and the trade fails even if the pattern looks perfect. An outside candle at a support level has far better odds than one forming randomly. For bullish setups, look for candles near established support, previous lows that held, or psychologically important round numbers like $50 or $100. These areas increase the likelihood of a successful move. In an uptrend, your prime zones are the 50 EMA and yesterday's low. For bearish outside candles, reverse the logic. Target prior highs that held as resistance, round numbers above price, moving averages in downtrends, and yesterday's high. These levels serve as your most reliable hunting grounds. What truly distinguishes the best setups is the pullback leading into the pattern. Ideally, several candles drift into your key level before the outside candle forms. This pullback signals a brief weakness that's ready to reverse. Watch how this plays out in action. Price trends upward, then retraces to yesterday's high. 3 small red candles emerge at that level, followed by a large bullish outside candle, an A-plus setup. This pattern shows institutions buying, while moving averages provide dynamic support and resistance to guide entries. Now we will run the Python scan code related to this topic and see. But since this formation occurs 3 to 5 times a day, patience is needed. We may not catch a signal, but it will test whether the code is working or not. If you cannot see the link, check your subscription and refresh the page.